Hello guys, thanks for tuning in to Mike MD. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to restore this headlight with the Sylvania restoration kit. Alright, so I'll get going on it. The cool thing I like about this kit is it gives it what I call the wet look. So at the end, after you're done with everything, it comes with this UV blocker, which is kind of like a resin and gives it that brand new crystal kind of look to it. Okay guys, this kit pretty much comes with everything. The one thing I do suggest is a bottle of water to spray on there, and also some masking tape designed for paint, just in case if there's some tight corners that are close to something that you don't want to be sanding on. All right, first step is this surface activator. We're gonna be squirting on it. All right, so there's 3 steps to the sanding deal. One is a 400 grit, the next one is 1,000, and then a 2,000. And the key is you want to keep it wet while you're sanding. It makes it a lot easier. Now you're done with all the sanding, and you might think, dude, what did I do to my headlight? It looks all foggy and even worse than before even. But this is just all part of the plan. The last step is the most awesome step in my opinion, one of them. Besides that UV blocker, when it melts all that haze off, that's pretty cool too. But what this is that clear coat that we're gonna put on right now. And it's really important that this is all dry before you do this and free of any lint, and you don't want any contaminants to get trapped in there with this stuff. It's kind of like a resin that's going to stay on there. Guys, this is super sticky stuff. I do recommend using the gloves provided. I'm going to zoom in on this. Yeah, that looks good. Guys, this is a big difference from before to after. Now, after you apply this resin, you definitely want to let it dry for an hour before you do anything. You don't want to wash the car, you don't want to go drive it, because you want this to harden correctly, and that way it lasts you a couple years. Look at the difference on this thing. Beautiful. I just want to thank you again for joining us while we did this headlight restoration. I hope this has been very helpful for you, and feel free to click at the link below. I do provide a link so you can go straight to the store and purchase this product. Guys, I would really appreciate if you like and subscribe and share, and we'll see you next time. Happy motoring to you.